Hello everyone, welcome back to my Vase DIY part 2. I went ahead and took my nails off because this is going to get a little gritty. Here I have vase number 1, and I was going to do this one in silver, but I changed my mind. That's why you see a little bit of silver spray paint. This one I'm going to do in silver instead, so we're just going to move this aside for part 3. Okay, so for this one, I went ahead and sealed it even more with some hot glue and smoothed it out a little bit. But I want to make it even better, so I'm going to add some rope to it, believe it or not. So what I'm going to do is just measure this and cut it. I'm going to use a little bit of hot glue to seal this back. So now I'm just going to add a little bit of hot glue. And put this down. So now this is what we have. Now for the next step, we are going to take some sandpaper, and this is 100 grit, and I'm just going to use it to rough this up a little bit. I want to do more than remove the paint. I want to give this surface a rough edge. So I'm going to go all the way around from the top to the bottom, and then I'll come back. So I'm done sanding my vase from top to bottom. So the rope did have like some pieces sticking out, and I just carefully went around with a lighter and burned that away so it'll be more smooth. Be careful, don't burn the vase up. Don't burn yourself up. This vase is going to be my more contemporary, modern style vase, and I want it to just be really slick and smooth. So here I have some plaster Paris, some water, and some Mod Podge. And what I'm going to do is mix up the 3. Hopefully this works, guys. This is me trying something new with you all watching. We're going to work from the bottom to the top. So what I'm going to do is put a little bit of Mod Podge in here as a bonding agent. I have some of these large popsicle sticks from Dollar Tree. And I'm just going to mix this up. Let's add some more plaster Paris. Oh yeah, and as you can see, I put some brown paper down too. All right, let's take our fingers and just kind of glop it in there to make sure it's all smooth. A little bit more. You wanted the consistency of cake batter. Now I'm just going to go ahead and rub some on here, smooth it out. So now let's just go ahead and just rub it on here. Keep going around. And we might have to come back in and do another layer. Right now we are just trying to get it covered. And now you want to get up here. Get all the way around that rope as well. Sorry you can't see the top from here, but I'll show you guys what it looks like. Okay guys, so I'm going to let this dry. And I might come in with a second layer, depends on what it looks like when it dries. And I'm also going to put some of this mixture on the inside top of the base as well. All right, I'll do that and come back. Now it's a little bit dry, I want to go in with some water and just smooth it out some more. Okay guys, so I'm gonna let this dry. Then I'm gonna come back in with a top layer. Once the top layer dries, I'm going to seal it so it'll stay on here permanently. Let's do that and I'll be right back. Okay guys, so I'm back. And my vase is about 50% dry. I don't think I need to let it dry completely to add the next layer. So I have my mixture and I'm just gonna go ahead and start putting it on here. I think it'll probably adhere better to a vase that's partially dry rather than all the way dry. That's just my thought on that. I might be wrong. But yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and put that on here, one side at a time. I'm just filling in that space between the bowl and the planter, so that it looks like it's one piece. Okay guys, so I'm going to allow this to dry. Then I'm going to come back and seal it and then let it dry completely. After that, we will spray paint. Okay guys, I let this sit up for about 18 hours and it's pretty dry. So what I want to do is go for a semi-smooth look to make it look like clay, to make it look like it was actually handmade. Had I just left it white, then we wouldn't have this texture to it and it would look plastic, okay? So what I'm going to do now is take some sandpaper that I have from Dollar Tree and smooth it out. This one is 150 grit, so it's a little bit rougher. We have all the way down to 80, which is really smooth. And I also have a sanding block from Dollar Tree. Okay, so what I'm going to do is just go in there and just smooth it out. Now, if you think this is a lot of work, then think about what you would save in money. If you go out and purchase a vase like this, it would probably cost you around $70 or $80, if not more. So a little bit of plaster of Paris and some planters and cups from Dollar Tree, you can make this yourself for a whole lot less. Let's try the sanding block. I'm just curious to see how it works. Ooh, I think I like the sanding block better because I'm able to hold on to it easier. Just go in and smooth out whatever bothers you, whatever you don't like. Now down here, some of the plaster actually fell off, and I like that. So I'm just going to give it a little bit of a smoother finish so the transition is not so drastic. Okay guys, so this is the top and I'm pretty much done, I think. Now, this did give my arm a workout, so I would change it from my right arm to my left arm. So what I'm gonna do now is just take a baby wipe or two and wipe this down before I seal it. We are pretty much done. I'm just gonna wipe this down, get off all that excess dust, and boy, put your mask on, okay? Go ahead and wipe this baby all the way down. Now, as you can see, there's part of the original planter showing, and that's okay. That's perfectly fine. That's gonna give it more character. That's gonna add to the look. Handmade. So yeah, we went to Italy, took a pottery class, and made this vase. And we get to take it home. That's my story, and I'm sticking to it. All right, one of these small cups from Dollar Tree, and I'm going to put some Mod Podge in there, about a third of the way, like that. I have some water. Let's mix this up. Now let's take our brush and seal this. We're going to start at the base. Let's put our vase on top of here. let it spin. I think it's going to be easier for me to work with it while it's spinning. That makes it a whole lot easier. Oh yeah. Let's work smarter, not harder. Okay guys, so I'm done adding my Mod Podge and water mixture, which will seal this. And this shows exactly what you will see once you spray paint it. Now, you can spray paint yours any color that you want. You can add gold leaf to it, silver leaf, spray paint it matte black, matte white. You can do teal, pinks, blues, whatever color matches your decor. It's super easy, inexpensive, and I love it. So yeah, stay tuned. I am going to bling out the second vase, of course. So I'm going to let her dry and then take her outside and spray paint her with matte white spray paint. And I picked up some at Walmart. I'll go get it so you guys can see it. I found this flat white at Walmart. You should be able to find this at Amazon. If not, then I'll link another one that you can use. So yeah, I'm gonna let her dry completely, spray paint it, come back and let you guys see it. As promised, here is our completed vase. And I say our because we did this together, right? You know, the vase that we made in Italy. Here's our vase on display. I teamed it up with a little bling and some other white artistic pieces as well. And as you can see, it all looks really beautiful together. It looks artsy and glam at the same time. Is that something we can use in the future? Artsy, glam. Let me know what y'all think about that in the comments below. And please leave your thoughts about the vase in the comments as well. Also check out this vase that I made in a previous DIY. This was a Goodwill find that I think is Z-Gallery worthy. I'll leave a link to the DIY in the description below. Okay everyone, this concludes my video. I hope that you enjoyed it, and if you did, please leave me a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment or leave some hearts or your favorite emoji in the comments below. Okay everyone, I'll see you in the next one. Thanks so much for watching.